So it is after the Advent season, and I still want to open a present or two. Well, we have the Sephora After Advent calendar. Oh, maybe there's something good in it. Maybe there is. Let's take a look. That looks like an eye pencil, and it's not black. Yes, this is an eye pencil. The shade is 12H. It is the Sephora brand, and it looks like it is in a brown shade. That's something different. Yes, it is. And in the same little box for this one, I noticed that they gave a sharpener for that pencil. Hey, great idea, Sephora. Yeah, that's pretty neat. And I did also notice that it says that it is made with 100% recycled plastic. Wow, that's a big mascara. Yes, it is. It is called Size Up. I'm trying to not blind everybody. I'm not going to dig into it right now because I have more mascara than I know what to do with. But that's a sizable mascara. I'm trying to see. 14 milliliters. That's a sizable mascara. Yes, it is. This is a blush in the shade 01, Shame on You. It is a different shade than what was in the premium advent calendar. So it is a different shade, but it is certainly similar. I wish they would have put something different, like a highlighter. Yes, like a highlighter would have been nice. Why did they give us a red lipstick now? Well, maybe for a New Year's Eve party you need some more red lipstick? I guess, but it seems like they could have picked a different color. Yeah, in my opinion as well, they could have picked a different color other than red. Oh, Sephora. You didn't put it in the premium advent calendar, but you had to put it in the after advent calendar. And not one, but 2 nail files. I knew there was going to be a nail file somewhere in here from Sephora. And in the same little box that we got the 2 nail files, we also got a nail polish in the shade red. Yeah, in the shade red. Why didn't you put the shade red in the advent calendar and save the clear polish for the after advent? Yeah, that would have made better sense to me. I don't know. Sephora, sometimes I just don't know. There are 2 masks. Yes, and these came in the same date. One is for under your eyes and the other one is for your lips. Well, that's a nice idea. A chance to get refreshed. I'm okay with that. Yeah, not too shabby. I'm not wild about lip masks yet. The concept, I can get down with that. Yes, me too. What did they give us for New Year's Eve? Well, for New Year's Eve, we got something that was kind of expected and something that's popping up in a lot of the smaller brand calendars. Stickers? Yep. I think these are for face, but maybe they could be used on your nails as well. I don't know. But stickers. And a scrunchie? Yeah, a scrunchie. I will say It is cute in color. It does match the theme of their boxes, so I will give them that much of it. It's okay. I would have expected something a little more New Year's Eve festive. Yeah, me too. Then again, this is Sephora, and they have a, I hate to say it, reputation. You said it, I didn't. Well, you are gonna. They do have that reputation. What did y'all see in this calendar that caught your attention? As you can see, I've put the scrunchie to use. Hey, that's not a bad idea. Do I get to try it? Yeah, we'll put it on you in a minute. What did y'all like in here? Let me know. I am a nosy camel. And consider subscribing. We have lots of fun things coming up in the new year. We hope to see you soon. And now taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty. There, I am wearing the scrunchie. What do y'all think? So for all of you nitty-gritty enthusiasts out there just like I am, this After Advent calendar was a 6-day calendar. It was $30. The value stated was supposed to be $69, so that averages out to $5 per day. Some of those things, yes, I would give you $5 a day. Some of them, I would not give you $5 a day. So if you haven't done so already, like, comment, subscribe, share, and we do hope to see you not only in another video, but we hope to see you in lots of videos next year. Happy holidays! Happy New Year! Yes, it's going to be Happy New Year very soon. Bye-bye. Do I look good in the scrunchie?